this video we're going to see how I'm making this beautiful round cushion with an easy method. Let's start measuring the cushion part. Basically you can use any sized cushion part for making this. This is how I'm getting the measurement for the fabric. So I'm going to go around and get its circumference. It is like 110 centimeter. So I'll be adding a 2 centimeter extra for its seam. It's like 44 inch. It is just a technique I'm explaining. You don't have to follow the exact measurement because you will be using another size to cushion part. And the second measure, then I'll be measuring from its center point to it's another center point. It's like 42 centimeter, and I'll be adding a 2 centimeter extra for its seam with 2 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter. It's like 1 inch extra we need for the seam. And then the other thing is it will be different if you are using a stretchy fabric. You can stretch the fabric like this, so you will not be needing the same size like the non-stretchy material, so you may need to keep that in mind. This is the fabric I'm using. It's a very special kind of material. One side is silk, other side is like a net added into it. So you have to follow the manufacturer's instructions for washing. I will be doing the dry cleaning or gentle machine wash for it. You cannot you remove the cushion cover, but you can wash it all. After you cut the basic piece of fabric, here I have to mention one more thing. You can use any kind of fabric. The fabric I'm using is just my choice. Here is the basic piece. By keeping it here, I'm going to use another material. Just have a look. I don't know what this fabric is called. Maybe I mentioned that in the description. This piece of material should match with the other piece, the basic piece, and I made a mark right here, like it has the same width. Then I'm gonna make a 22 centimeter or 9 inch all right. By cutting it like that, it's quite easy. Then I'm going to cut one more piece. We need to have the same size to two pieces. Okay, so let's see after that. Here is the two piece. The seam is already done for this piece. Then moving on to the next step, I fold the basic piece into half. Then I'm gonna find its halfway point like this, and we can attach the second piece into it. So using some pins to hold it in place while we're sewing it. The other side also the same. Let's have a look. Now I have sewn on just one piece, and Moving on to the next section. This piece is still right there. Now I'm going to sew this part together. Okay. After that, bring it to its right side. Then we can attach the second piece into it. So by doing that, we can hide the seam, hide this part very well. Even if it is just a bit tricky, it's easy. So here I'm going to sew its sides. Okay, let's have a look what we have done so far. These two pieces are attached on each side. Now we're moving on to the next section. So now I'm going to insert the cushion part into it. And we can start hand sewing it one side. Let's have a look. Everything fits well and we can start sewing it. For that I'm using this thread. It is a thick nylon thread. And I don't recommend using the regular thread in this part because I'm not sure it will last a long time. And by using it, it gives quite a long durability. So I'm going to start sewing like this. I'll show you. Just doing the running stitch. We need to go around, and once we reach here, we need to pull it over and do the rest. Here I am pulling everything together. Now I'm going to tie it tight. Here you see I have completed one side and I'll be doing the same kind of sewing on the other side. While we're doing it, the cushion will get its tightness and shape. Here I'm using the bottle lids to make the button. I cut a square piece of fabric and cutting that into a circle shape.
I got two of my gems. I got two of my gems.
Now I'm going to sew on this button into it. And on the other side, I'm going to use this acrylic crystal button. Then we will be attaching this crystal brooch into it. So let's sew it. You may need to use a big needle or a large sized needle like this. On one side I'm using the acrylic button, and on the main side I'm using the button I made just before. And remember to use a strong thread because the regular thread will snap so quickly while we pulling it. Then we can attach the brooch and our cushion is ready. So please give me a thumbs up if you like. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye bye.